Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will show you how to make chicken puffs or chicken patties as it is commonly called in India. Make the filling for the chicken puffs. Heat a pan over medium to high heat with 2 tablespoons of oil in it. My oil is hot enough. I added finely chopped onion. The ingredient proportions are all given in the description box below, so please check out for that. Stir the onions on medium heat. Once they turn golden brown, add finely chopped garlic and stir. Then comes 260 grams of ground chicken. Loosen it up with your spoon and stir it on medium to high heat. Then comes 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Stir very well till the chicken changes its color from pink to brown. Now add 4 tablespoons of chopped red bell pepper or capsicum and chopped green chilies. You can even add green capsicum if that is more convenient for you. Mix everything, then add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You can even add tomato puree or tomato ketchup. Then I added half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and then added a splash of water so that the spices don't burn. Add half a teaspoon of salt and finally add a splash of water and keep it covered on low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover. I sprinkle some chopped parsley. You can also use coriander leaves, and our filling for the puffs are done. Let it cool down a bit, and in the meantime preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 200 degrees centigrade. Coming to the puff pastry sheets now. Here in the US, you will get these kind of puff pastry sheets at any big grocery store. Check the frozen section where they keep the pie crusts or the pizza dough. My packet contains 2 sheets. Always follow the package direction for thawing. I kept these at room temperature for about 40 minutes. Do not keep them at room temperature for a long time, as in doing so, the butter in the pastry shells will start melting and it will be very hard to handle. I sprinkled some flour on my countertop and rolled them out. Do not give much pressure while rolling, as that will destroy the layers, and you do not need to roll much as well. Just even out the sheet, and then I cut it into half and then into quarters. Now take an egg and separate the yolk from the white. Add a splash of water to the yolk and mix it well. Then take a puff pastry sheet, brush some egg white on top, and add about a tablespoon of the filling. Do not add too much as it may leak out. Then I added some grated cheese and folded it. Press gently along the sides, and then with one end of a fork, press along all the sides. Now though I have used chicken over here, you can use any filling of your choice. At the same time, you can use any seasoning, like instead of cumin powder and coriander powder, you can use dry Italian seasoning or any other seasoning of your choice. Make these for lunch parties, dinner parties, potlucks, snacks, and your guests will love it. I have filled up all the pastry sheets. Now I brushed some egg yolk on top. The egg yolk will give a shiny appearance to the chicken puffs once they are baked. But do not apply too much, just lightly brush on the top. My oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 15 minutes. Oven temperatures vary, so it may take a little long or little less depending on the type of your oven. Bake them till golden brown. After 15 minutes, my chicken puffs are looking wonderful. You can store these in fridge for a day or two. Before serving, just heat them up in a 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees centigrade oven, or you can even microwave them for a short time. They even taste delicious when they are at room temperature. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button if you like this video, and please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.